Hi, I'm Jess Doyle. I write young adult fiction, usually horror, dark fantasy, and I've written a graphic novel for young adults. The Crow's Nest. Home is where the crow is. A doll's house eclipsed by a bird-shaped shadow. Talons clatter slate canopy. Corvid cattle croon, like ravenous broods burdened with shiny, worthless things. The plumeless chut, a shaft to a different darkness. Not your vibrant ink oil slick, bleak black, dirt dark. Crows don't inhabit coops. Never be hemmed by a toy hearth. Pry the hinges, flee, shatter wood and glass, simple as slipping through mist. Home is where the crow goes. Dwell. Draw moth-eaten curtains on the world. Dim the callous light and burrow. Don't see those venerable souls, tut, shake noble heads at the gall of the weed garden, wilfully wild, wicked brambles that snatch and snag at frayed threads. Crumbling cave, grotto walls dark, dank from damp. Inhale the festering air. Curl where there's room to nest. Don't hear the drab slap of the cracked tap where wait stale stacks, porcelain towers glazed in recent regret. Fold yourself into dust. Gather darkness like a blanket.